One of the things that I love about getting to know my clients early on, besides putting a plan together and making sure they're getting the best possible medical treatment for their injury, is when it's time to put on that final presentation, whether it's at a mediation that the client agrees to accept the offer there, or if it's in trial. I keep a log of mental log, or I keep typewritten notes every time I'm on the phone with a client throughout their case. So we get to know these individuals through some of the hardest times of their lives, and it's a true honor to represent them. But I'm keeping track of how the case is affecting their life. Did they have to switch doctors because their family doctor refused to take a car crash case? So now they had to reach out and trust somebody that they had never trusted before to find a doctor for them that was going to treat them and hopefully heal them. And then I'm talking to them about these struggles, and you become part of their life. And they tell you that they missed work or that they're having trouble making rent payments. And I keep all that because that's so important. It's this intangible thing that the insurance companies just don't like putting a value on. And I can present that, and many times the client is floored that I remembered something from 2 years ago and how it affected their life. But that's something that unfortunately every lawyer should be doing, but not enough are doing.
Right, and another important mission that we have is making our clients understand that we're interested in their bottom line, not our bottom line. Our attorney's fees will come. We don't have to worry about our fee when we're handling a case. We worry about the bottom line for our clients, and we tell them that in the beginning. Many of them really don't believe it, but they do see it in the end, because that's our main goal, is to give them as much compensation as they're entitled to, forgetting about our fee. Whatever it takes to get it done, we'll get it done.
And I know that there's situations where a client is a victim of somebody's negligence, but the person who injured them, for example, in a car crash, was also drunk, and so there's a criminal trial component that's taking place. And in our experience, I've seen Carlos do it, Alan help out the clients, physically go to court with them in the criminal case and make sure that their civil rights are being protected, even in the criminal case. When they're a witness, they're essential for the state's prosecution to get justice in the criminal court for the defendant, but also making sure that our client is prepared for that in a manner that will also help them in their case against the insurance company or somebody who allowed that drunk driver to get behind the wheel of the car.